Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be looking into this, which is how do I find my reservation on booking.com. So it's going to be very simple and straightforward, so let's quickly dive into it. So for you to be able to find your reservation on booking.com, you have to go to the booking.com. So visit booking.com on your browser, or open the booking.com app on your mobile, then sign in to your account. So click sign in at the top right and log in using the email and password then use to make your booking. Then after that, once logged in, click your profile icon or the name, then select booking or my trip. Then you can view your reservation list, so you will see all your upcoming and the past reservation display. So find the one you want to view, then check the details. So click on the reservation to see full details like the hotel name, date, address and confirmation number. And if you booked without an account, go to the booking.com/mybooking and enter your booking confirmation number and the PIN, then found in your email confirmation email. So to access your confirmation email, you can also open the confirmation email booking.com and send to you and click manage booking. It takes you directly to your reservation page, and that's how you can easily find reservation on booking.com. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.